Hey guys, today we are unboxing and reviewing a baby car camera. Does it actually do the job? Is it easy to install? And is it worth the price? Stay with me and find out if this little gadget can take at least one worry off your mind while driving. If you are a parent of young kids, you probably know those moments when your kids suddenly start coughing, crying, or just goes too quiet. It instantly raises a red flag. And when there is no one else in the car, what can you do? You turn your head to check while driving, and that's a risk you don't want to take. So how can we keep an eye on our child in real time without taking our eyes off the road? That's exactly where this product comes in. A baby camera for the car. Let's open the box and see what we've got. It's a 4.3-inch screen. The panel type and resolution aren't really important here. We are not going to watch YouTube on it. What does matter is that the image is bright and clear enough to let us see our baby properly. This is the power adapter that plugs into the car cigarette lighter socket on one end, and on the other end it connects to one of the two cables attached to the screen. This is an extension cable. One end connects to the screen and the other to the camera. So even in large vehicles, you can install the camera and run the cable all the way to the monitor. This is the mount that holds the screen. It attaches to the windshield or dashboard using a suction cup. This is the camera itself. Notice it has built-in LEDs for enhanced night vision. The only cable coming out of the camera connects either directly to the screen or to the extension cable, which then goes to the screen. Power is delivered through the same cable, so there is no need to plug the camera into separate socket. Only the screen needs to be connected to the car's power. The included straps are used to attach the camera to the headrest of the seat in front of the child. So let's start by setting up the camera here in the comfort of the office and see how it works before we take it out to the car. For this part, I will be using a cigarette lighter to USB adapter I bought separately just for the purpose of this video. In this case, I'm connecting the camera directly to the screen. There is no need for the extension cable right now. Once we're in the car, I will probably need to use the extension. Make sure to check the orientation before plugging in the cable. Do it gently and don't forget to rotate the locking ring to secure the connection. Now let's connect the second cable coming out of the screen, the one with the red tip, to the power adapter cable. Then we'll plug the power adapter into the car cigarette lighter socket and press the red button to turn on the camera. And there is it. As you can see, it started working immediately. I'll move the camera around the desk a bit to film different objects in various colors, so you can get better sense of the screen's quality. Keep in mind that the room has good lighting, specifically set up for video recording. You might find it hard to judge the screen quality accurately since the lighting reflects off the screen, but I can say that considering the purpose of this product, the quality is actually pretty decent. Even in complete darkness, the LEDs do a great job. Visibility is excellent. Now let's head to the car, set it up there, and see how it performs in real-world use. As you can see, since my daughter is at summer camp, I use her doll as a stand-in. Hope she doesn't mind. I didn't spend too much time on making the setup look perfect, since I'm planning to replace the car soon anyway. When possible, I ran the cable through hidden spots under the seat, behind panels and so on, but I didn't go all the way with it. It only took me a few minutes to get everything installed. The installation is very easy, but if you want it to look super clean and professional, take your time with it. So what did we find out? This product definitely delivers on its promise. It gives parents peace of mind while driving. It's very easy to install, very easy to operate, and the display is clear and effective. As for durability, it's hard to say at this point since I have only just installed it today. The price? Definitely affordable. I can honestly say I recommend this product. I bought this product from the seller you are seeing on the screen right now. It cost me around $24 at the time. Currently the price is about $28, but make sure to use coupons to bring it down. By the way, if you open the product page in incognito mode, AliExpress will treat you as a new user and offer you a welcome deal. So if you are new to AliExpress, you might be able to grab it for as low as $21. Of course, you don't have to buy this product from this specific seller. I definitely recommend looking around for deals before rushing to make a purchase. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and a comment. YouTube's algorithm loves that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel yet, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching and I will see you on the next one.